Avatar.
Boom, the shotgun goes off. Country boy shooting shit, killing salt in this rap game. I'm staying real. I don't gotta flex, cause I am the way that I am. I don't give a damn. Gotta grind hard, respect is earned. It ain't never fucking given, coming back strong. I'm still living, shotgun fire, hear the blast. White trash ballin', I'm built to last. The strong will survive, the weak will fold. You soft powder, and we can always tell. I'm a pit bull that you let out of his cage, that you just let off his leash. Ooh. Pistol grip, I'm steady, aim in the dirt. I made my name, watch me shine in the world full of hate. You gotta have a strong mind, shotgun goes off, boom. It's do or die time. Boom, the shotgun goes off. Boom, the shotgun goes off.
This is Avatar.
Came from nothing, now I'm here. Grind so hard, death, it ain't fucking near. Respect the hustle, that's the key. Living legend, that's my pedigree. In the shadows where the real ones creep. I don't ever sleep, I'm always taking shit from my mind, putting it on paper. Boom, the shotgun goes off. Counting up my wins, I'm just counting up all these games. I'm never lost, Southern boy for life. No, I ain't switching up lanes. This dirty white boy's here now. It's my time to shine. I ain't ever gonna stop what I'm doing. I got pit bull in my heart, just rebel written all in my veins. I came from nothing, now I'm here. Grind so hard, death ain't even near. I'm just a legend in the making. Redneck is written in my veins.
This is Avatar.
Redneck is written in my veins. Heart of a pit bull. Boom, boom, the shotgun goes off. Boom, the shotgun goes off.